Ross Perot, on what this country can be.
If we all make the sacrifices I have suggested over the course of this campaign, if we all do our fair share, what can we expect? What can our great country be? We can be a country with its spirit restored, its people back to work, and its government back in order. We can be a country where exporting cars is the rule and importing cars is the exception. We can be a purposeful and thriving country, building bridges instead of building debt. We can be a country whose people are working hard at their jobs instead of working hard just to find a job. We can be a country where, once again, the diversity of our people is our greatest strength instead of division being our greatest weakness. We can be a country leading the way instead of a country falling behind. We can be all of these things tomorrow if we will just make the tough choices today.
Ross Perot for president.